How to add a minimum order amount on Squarespace Checkout. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add the minimum order amount enablement for the checkout of your Squarespace store. So it is going to be very easy. We're going to set up here a let's say a border or a minimum required for a amount that you're going to put into your store on Squarespace. So the customers are going to be proceeding to the checkout itself. So we're going to head over to settings and we're going to head over to selling tools. From the selling tools, we are going to visit the checkout. Now we're going to scroll down until we are going to find the third element from here, which is going to be minimum order or amount. Require the customer to reach a minimum subtotal amount before they can check out. Available for one-time purchase of physical service, download products, and donations. We're going to activate that, and the customers need to buy more than, for example, $15 to open up the, as you can see here, the checkout. Now, what is this going to be benefiting the owner of a shop or a store here? It is going to be a question of the minimum required to set up, for example, a promotion. So maybe you are going to add a discount or have something added to the announcement bar at the top of the, let's say here, website like that. This announcement bar is going to be declaring something that maybe you're going to need at least maybe $100 to be spent to have the free shipping, and you're going to put only free shipping day. Maybe you're going to have an event or something added to that day for the store. You have maybe something that you want to liquidate into your store, which is going to be maybe dead stock or something like that. This is an e-commerce solution to set up here a minimum required to open up a checkout. It could be added or combined to a discount like the free shipping, or could be added for something else, which is going to be a real discount. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.